Feels so good with the weekend. I finally have some time off. Me and Marzia are gonna hang out today. I'm really excited. No, I'm not gonna. What did you do? What is this? I felt like we were drowning there for a second. We were getting stopped like every 5 seconds. I think Marzia is having a great time, but I'm dying. I'm so tired. Don't tell her though. Go. It's a pixel phone, but I already used one for like a month. LA is so trashy. It looks like we could get stabbed here. You better stay close, Marzia. I'll protect you. You feel that?
I do feel it. Oh my god. That was scary.
Perfect.
That's how you do YouTube. Thanks, Fousey too. Thanks, Fousey.